today I'm going to show you how to put on my makeup style is how to put on my this is my favorite. First we're going to start out with this is my favorite pack of eyeshadow, and because it has like 20 colors, like I don't know, but I forgot how much it has. I love this because you get to mix colors. I love this one because it's just like it goes around like your eyes right there, so you can just make it pop just a little bit. This one you put it on before your eyeshadow just to make it like stay on more, like if you're going to parties or like anything else. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. So let me put this on. Okay. I'm going to close my eyes and just rub it on all over. Good. Next eye. Okay. And now you just want to rub it in like that, just like get it like a good way. Okay, so we're done with this. Next step is gonna be we could do these or this, but I prefer this one. I'm gonna show you how I do. So I'm do this one. I do it with my finger. Stick. So first I'm gonna pick out. I'm gonna do the blue and the purple. Okay, so I got the blue. Put it on my eyes. You see how I'm not putting it like up there? I'm putting it like on the bottom, so it doesn't like so I can put the purple on. Okay. Good. Next eye, I'm gonna do. And luckily I didn't get in shower yet because I always get one. So early. Okay, so that's done. You can see it's makeup. My makeup. Next. Oh, I forgot the purple. That's like the whole part of my video. So here's the purple. Okay, there's my purple right there. I'm just gonna rub it into the blue, like to mix it up. Okay. Okay, so I'm done with that. I'm gonna put some of this on now. My bad. This is this one goes like around your right here. It goes around your eyebrow. So let's get to it. Oops. So you have this one. It's shape glue. So yeah, I will be right back. Just hold on 1 second. Okay, so I'm back. I just had to tell my mom something. Okay, I'm gonna use this color right here because it's it actually shows me. Okay, so right there. No, this one, but it's that one. I'm gonna put it on my iPad.
My little sister.
Real
Nice. Make sure you go follow my Insta at It's Maddie Ziegler.
I'll be right back.
Mackenzie. I always call me. Okay, hold on. So I always call me Maddie. Oh, Mackenzie, because you can perfectly tell by my shirt here. Bye.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, so I'm gonna do. Just put them on my eyebrows. Comment down below if you like my video. So bye. Well, not bye yet. My favorite part. Drum roll. Yeah, I can't jump on. My lipstick time. It's lipstick time. Oh, and I'm gonna show you all my colors that I have. So let me just put my hair up. Right here. I put my hair up like this when I'm doing my makeup. I have this color, this color, this color, this color, this color, this color, this color. I'm gonna find and this is nail polish. So I'm gonna find like a color that matches like my eyeshadow. We didn't do this color on there because it wouldn't show. It would dry. But this like makes your lips glossy. First, I'm gonna start with this one. Find it. Okay, right here. And I got this one at Claire's, so it's like really cheap. So, okay, I have to hurry up because I have to go somewhere. That's my brother who farted in the background. Just to let you know. No, I'll that after. Here, I'm gonna find the color. So these are, I should do all my colors. I'm not gonna put on this one because it doesn't really match. My eye tone. I'm not on this one because it doesn't really match. I'm not this one either. Like I need to put on like a dark one, like this one, this one, this one. So I'm gonna use this one because I think it really shows up. And then I have one more thing to show you guys. And then I'm all done. I'll be right back because you can just check out my room. Okay, I am back with these. So I just wanna dab it on like this. I don't want it to all come up. I just want some of it to come up because it's like you don't want your lipstick to be too glossy and like mixed in with this one. Yeah, so I hate when that happens. Okay, I did that. Now I'm done with my lip gloss, and I just wanted to, I'm gonna look into my mirror, okay? way back. Okay, not that much time left. Got all on my face. Okay. Getting ready. And this is how I get ready in the morning. Okay, that's my lip gloss. Now I just want to touch it up, the final touch up. It's these again. Okay, now I'm gonna put on one more thing. This. It's like shimmery, it makes your face shimmery, so put it on. It's my like favorite like eye-tone, like shimmery stuff colors. And you can see my face is shimmery. Bye. Watch my next videos on my dad's phone, my mom's again. So bye. Have a nice day.